Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. What a beautiful day here today. Look at the beautiful blue sky. Let's see if we can see that duck over there. Where's the duck? Where's the duck? There's a duck. Look what a pretty day. Yeah, this is my view. Oh, there's another duck over there. Let's see. Look at how pretty. And there's a trail. You can walk around this lake, man-made lake or whatever it is. There you go. Good morning, world. We are up, up, up. See what's in the clouds. Let's see. Is that a red? Let's see if we can see it. Red winged blackbird. See if we can see it. Where is he? I think it's right there. If you can see the little black dot. Beautiful day, everybody. Enjoy it. That's pretty.